Dear students, today let's start our new chapter, Chapter 5, Lines and Angles, Module 1. After this module, you will be able to identify different angles. First, let's see what is a line. You know, a line, this is a line having two arrows. That means the two sides are endless. Next, you can see an angle. This is an angle. An angle has two arms and a common vertex. In this chapter, the first topic is complementary angles. Complementary angles. Let's see what are complementary angles. First example. Here you can see an angle with 30 degree. Next, an angle with 60 degree. What is the sum of these two angles? We find the sum. Sum equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to 90 degree. When we add these two angles, we will get a 90 degree angle, that is a right angle. That is, when the sum of any two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. Such angles are called complementary angles. That means when we add in sum of two angles, then we will get 90 degree. Such angles are called complementary angles. Another example, 35 degree and 65 degree. We add these two, sum equal to 35 plus 65 equal to 100 degree. Is this complementary angle? No, these are not complementary angles because the sum is 100 degree. If it is 90 degree, these are complementary angles. Next one question. Find the complement of each of the following angles. Question A, 40 degree. If it is complementary angle, the next angle will be, which is the next angle? Complement of 40 degree equal to 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. If the next angle is 50 degree, then when we add these two angles, 40 degree and 50 degree, we will get 90 degree. So, the complement of 40 degree is 50 degree, or the complement of 50 degree is 40 degree. Next, B question. Complement of 63 degree. Complement of 63 degree equal to 90 minus 63 equal to 27 degree. C question. Simple questions are these. 47 degree. Complement of 47 degree equal to 90 minus 47, that's equal to 43 degree. So complementary angles. I hope all of you understood this complementary angles. Next we have to study supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Let's see what are supplementary angles. Example 1. Two angles are given, 60 degree, 120 degree. When we add these two, sum equal to 60 plus 120, we will get 180 degree. Another example, example 2. When we add these two angles, 68 degree and 112 degree. When we add these two, 68 plus 102, again we will get 180 degree. So, from these two examples, we have to understand that when the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary angles. If the sum is 180 degree, then the two angles are called supplementary angle. So don't forget complementary angles. Sum is 90 degree. Here sum is 180 degree. Okay. Supplementary angles. So supplement of 68 degree, 112 degree, or supplement of 112 degree is 68 degree. Next question. Find the supplementary of each of the following angles. Question A, 107 degree. So we find the supplement of 107. We have to subtract 107 degree from 180 degree. That is supplement of 107 degree equal to 180 minus 107. That's equal to 73 degree. That is supplement of 107 degree equal to 73 degree. We have to subtract from 180. B question, 97 degree. Very simple. We have to find the supplement of 97 degree. 180 minus 97. That's equal to 83 degree. Then last question, C question, 164 degree. Given angle is 164 degree. Then supplement of 164 degree is 180 minus 164. That's equal to 16 degree. Next, we have one follow-up activity. Listen the question very carefully. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. That means one angle and its complement are equal. Then what is this angle? Which angle? Okay, you find and send to me the answer. Okay, children. Thank you.